Oilthigh Shruighlea balcóise Cìopras Athina Varnava chun geme anamach na bethe. Aice cha dúirí eolas a hí geme slánaige gus an do thuaise go breichtim san olthaid.
So I first joined the club when I came here in the UK for university, at Cardiff University. It was my first football club. I still remember that day that I walked into the sports fair and I looked around the stands and it was ladies football and I was just astonished. I was like, yes, I want to join this club, and that was my first club when I was 18. And then my first Sunday team was Kincoid Ladies in Wales, in Cardiff, when I was 21. So it was very late that I started playing like 11v11 and in a full team setting, because 5v5 is all nice and stuff, but it's different to play in a full field, like with lights on and like to have a purpose, you know.
Háisí tríach Athina an sa chumrí, mar an do lorachí sarafachas, a cosnach dúisin aice a gartar go príomh líg na dúcha.
My university coach even in Cardiff helped me a lot. I played futsal there as well, which it helps massively, like with things like practicing your weak foot or like your first touch and everything. And obviously, again, competing in Welsh Premier League in the first division, highest level of football in Wales, again, it helped me improve my game in terms of tempo, in terms of anticipation, like being sharp and all these sorts of things. And I'm grateful to all my coaches there. And in terms of fond memories, of course, like we won the Welsh Premier League Cup against Cardiff Met in 2018, and that was definitely like one of the highlights that I will keep forever. And also winning back-to-back the Bucks League in Western 1A and 1B to get promoted for the first time ever the Cardiff University's history to play for Premier South. Again, that was something extraordinary, being part of that team. And to be honest, at that time, you don't even realize how big achievements those are, because you're there, you're playing football with your friends, your teammates, and it's all just very enjoyable. But looking back, it's just, it just brings me a smile on my face.
Astei úne garid páirteach thesal, luas Athina go Oilthigh Shruighlea, far no aici sapaiste rás go troch dúliadasan.
It's really good. I mean, I had a few setbacks with some injuries when I first came here. I mean, all the girls were really, really welcome. The coaches really trusted me, and it creates a very safe environment, like for someone to go and show what they can do, basically, and just show their skills. And it was very unlucky because my first friendly back, I had a serious calf injury and I went to the A&E and everything. I couldn't walk, and then I was out for 3 months. And then I came back in the next season and I was feeling good, and I started the season very good, and then I broke my ankle. So it was just really unlucky. So it feels like I've been here for a short time, if that makes sense. Even though it's almost 2 years here, I've played 10, 15 games or something like that. But no, the team helps a lot for the player to come in and, you know, feel calm and safe, so they can improve their abilities and everything. And I'm really enjoying my time here now.
Le Amazon Cluichen an dúicheich geheen, chuir Athina fes go príomh chóte Cìopras. Raini ma aice thuirí an chothrom Cluichers an scepa nàiseanta, aice bhuanaí a chiad dachap.
I never played in Cyprus, so the national team coach wasn't aware of me, and we had to contact him, basically. So I thought it was a bit of a shot in the dark, if I'm honest with you. And then when he came back to me and he asked for footage and everything, I got really excited. I mean, it was a fantastic feeling, like getting attention from your national team. It's what every player wants to do, to play at the highest level and play for their country. And then, yeah, when he agreed to call me, I was ecstatic. I mean, it was an unbelievable feeling. It's almost like a fire in your heart, you know. And I was really, really happy about it. And I felt like all my efforts have paid off. And, you know, having at the back of your head all your injuries that you're having and all the setbacks, and still working towards it and having this as an outcome, it's an unbelievable feeling. It was really, really good. Seeing how top players are playing, you want to be better and better every time. It gives you motivation, like seeing players so talented, and I mean, okay, they're playing full time and everything, but for me personally, it gives me the motivation to be more like them and drive and towards improving all the weaknesses that I have, because I'm aware that no player is perfect. So of course it gives you that extra boost, and I hope that I could step towards a higher level going forward.
Ha Athina nog is cúmalóra leisachug aice clúich na príomh líg in Balcóise. A stei sapastra sonna hatches in nàiseanta channeal dúlaich a hatche a cal.
As long as I'm here in Scotland, I would like to play at the highest level. I want to drive and play at Scottish Premier League 1. I'm working towards it. I might succeed, I might not, but that is definitely one of my targets, and obviously now continue getting the call-ups and helping also the team here. I think those two things go hand in hand, to be honest. If you're improving and you're helping the team, then you're still going to get the attention, so one brings the other. Help the team keep getting the international call-ups, and then hopefully look at higher level. I don't think I've realized how far I've come, to be honest with you, and I think I had to look back last week to see against what players and with what players I played with. They're all full-time footballers, and I think it's a great achievement, and I'm really proud about it. But obviously, still things to work on, and yeah, I'm just enjoying football. I want to play in any team that I'm in. I just want to play. I just want to improve and continue growing.